What are you doing? You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside for a pee? Do you wanna go outside for a pee? You wanna go outside for a pee? You want? There you go. There you go. It's okay. Go. 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 Ooh. Hello, everybody. I am so fucking sorry about being late. Oh my god. Thank you so much for your patience. Today sucked. Oh, hey, great start. Okay. Holy crap. Yes, I am again genuinely sorry. I am genuinely sorry for being so late. I apologize. I mean, hey, on the bright side, this is supposed to be a chill stream, not like a tense stream, so that's awesome. And yes, Turt, there is a certified Volbite spotted. A certified Volbite who has been suffering. Oh, so there we go. Now we should be able to see chat. There we go. I've zoomed the projector out. Holy crap. I apologize for the sneeze as well. Holy shiza. Oh my gosh, I also forgot to turn on the music playlist. There's the music playlist for you guys. There you are. How's it going? Oh, I have my shit together today. What are you talking about? Oh. This is, long story short, I kind of have that vibe right now of like, okay, like I guess for like long story short, yesterday I did like a big 8-hour stream, right? So like right now I'm kind of like living off like the coattails of that. 160 milligrams of caffeine consumed, just absolute suffering, just absolute and I am once again so sorry for that. So where I'm going with this is, so I want to share my little plan thingy thing. So let me turn off the screen share for 2 seconds just to make sure I don't leak any private work that I should not leak. So don't use this. Sure, I'll use this. Let me just drag this onto the screen. New. Sure. So small flashbang of white coming in just a second. Ta-da! War Thunder military documents leak reference, exactly. But nah, so for context, I'm currently working on this little thingy called Cockatiel. I've shared this thing a few times, but this is just reference for those who are unaware. So what Cockatiel is if we go npm start, and then we let this run, we will see a little application pop up on the other screen, which I'll drag over here, close pop-up. These aren't working because of course I haven't fixed these yet. But this is my little stream management software. So the idea is that like if I multi-stream, or even if I just stream on one platform, this is supposed to be an application that basically makes the streaming experience for myself / the streamer / whatever a lot better, right? So what I want to do is, as an example, YouTube custom emotes are an absolute pain in the ass. There is custom emotes I believe you can do, but I don't think you can do like many of them, and it's basically just glorified emojis as far as I can tell. So what I actually want to do to, I guess, share the fun is long term what I would really like to be able to do is add something where, like, I'm guessing everybody here uses Discord, so if I send in chat, something like this, something like this. Whoops. Let's do like this. That. If I do something like, just like that. So you'll see right there up with my head, you'll see the little TM thing that I just typed. Oh, that's a little bit cut off. Let me fix that in YouTube chat. Why is that cut off? Why is that cut off? That's lame. There we are. That should be about there. Got it. Fixed it. I did it. I'm so smart. I did it because I'm smart. Ha! But yes, so what I would like to be able to do is like how Discord lets you do that to like type emotes and stuff like that. I want to be able to actually implement that as well. Plus a bunch of other stuff that would be nice for streamers. Come on, Pupper. Come on. So, on top of the other stuff that I've already done, like TTS and stuff like that. Come on, Pupper. Come lie down. Come lie down. Pupper's being a neat little man. Anyways, but yeah, so with all that being said, so the plan for today is to continue some migration stuff. And when I say migration stuff, I mean just basically, get, Cockatiel in a working state. So hopefully next weekend, we can actually get like rolling and stuff, right? So that's the hope. And then yeah, it's just kind of, just a hangout stream is the plan. So hey, how's it going with all of you? Let's see. Let's do tab new. But yeah. So yeah. Anyways, for all of you who have desperately hung on this long, Once again, so sorry, but also, hey, how you doing? And also, hey, Freezik, how's it going? How is life treating you? Oh my god, I just remembered that I have to do fucking, what do you call it? I have to do Discord bot too. Oh my god, why do I have so many things to do? When did my life get this busy? I thought I had fun free time. Frick. Okay, 1 second. But for rules, there we are. Okay. I guess I'm just in a perpetual state of suffering, aren't I? Okay. Anyways, let's get going with this. So we were at a point where I was trying to excuse me. No, I don't want the software update right now, macOS. Thank you. Fuck off. Must be a really important update if they keep pushing it on me, because I've gotten a few of those like notifications, and I'm kind of just sitting here like, huh, that's quite a few of those. That's something that should probably be resolved, don't you think? Probably. We'll have to see. Okay, what song is this? That is a very aggressive little darky song. What? Wait, did they... Pitbull, Bon Jovi, and Trop Killers. No, I'm not listening to that. I'm okay. I think that would melt my brain. Thank you. Sorry. My I'm listening to my freaking like music suggestions playlist, and it's like some of them I'm into, some of them not. This seems like one I'm not into. That seems very not epic. Okay, so where were we at now? So we got to go to here. We were going to go into lib. We were going to go into... I think we're working on the pop-up. So the pop-up's working. The issue is that for whatever reason right now, we don't have the pop-up actually like functioning. One Shot PFP, oh my gosh, I didn't know other people knew that game existed, Freezik. Hey, Turtle, funny little thing actually, is due to Tony, full credit to Tony, I just got gifted a certain game. A certain little something, which I intend to stream one day. The ultimate furry game. Dude, that's sick. Hell yeah. I'm glad you agree. At least assuming you're responding to that. Or you're just commenting on the profile. Either way, hey, whatever works. But yeah, so... Both, fair enough. But yeah, so that's the thing that's happening. Insignificant space to keep recording. Oh my gosh. Hot tip, 4K disk space, 4K recording absolutely just fucking eviscerates your drives. Like, I'm talking like full on, like, chews it up, fucking spits it out, and does not give a single crap about your children. What is happening? Why did my audio all stop? I don't like how my audio stopped there. Okay, I don't know why my audio there stopped. That's weird. That's something that shouldn't have happened, but I'll take it, I guess. Okay, cool. I just need to delete this thing immediately, because if I don't, then it's going to cause issues later. Delete. There we are. But yeah, so I'm actually trying to figure out what fucking game I'm supposed to play next weekend, because I'm trying to do a game stream once a week, and I have actually no idea what to play next weekend, so hey, that's cool. Let's see, so... the issue is that there's not a frickin' the remove button isn't working. So let's fix the remove button, shall we? Also, is the text size comfortable? Like, assuming you were like full screen or whatever, is this like a comfortable text size for you guys? Should it be bigger? Should it be smaller? I actually have no idea. I actually want to check it out on my phone, because I've actually never done that. Ooh, shut up! Shut up, me! There we are. Let's see. Is this a comfortable text size? Oh, my phone's like way behind. It's a little small. It's a little annoying. But, I mean, hey, at least you can zoom on mobile. That's nice. Wait, what am I streaming in on my phone? I actually have no idea. 720? Excuse me? Yeah, okay, so... Oh, yeah, 1080 helps a lot. 1080 helps a lot. That's awesome. Hey, little fun fact is the font I'm using right now is actually a custom-made font by me. Because I'm a font nerd. Okay, so for some reason, this isn't being bound properly. You can see that so basically what I'm doing is I'm doing pop-up underscore number and then container, right? So what I'm trying to do here, long story short, is I'm trying to, yeah, I do font stuff. Yeah, fun little fact is I have a certificate in, like, web and graphic design. So, like, hey, guess what? I actually do some stuff. Like, here's a fun little thing, is, let me actually pull this up on the second monitor, because I'll point this out, because you guys might find this neat. It might be an absolute pain in the ass, but it might also be neat. Is, let me send this to myself, because this will be an absolute pain in the ass, but, yeah, for context, I am a busy person who does busy bee things. And I have, I've been putting my, graphic design skills to use recently. So if you give me just a second to go to my frickin' folders, there we go, my photos, there we are. That's what I meant to find. So, what I'm going to do real quickly is I'm just gonna frickin', can I copy this whole image? Copy, there we are. Copy. Let me paste this over here. The reason why is because I want to, like, blur out the name of the company, because I don't want to, like, create too many direct ties to myself for anonymity reasons. Not because I don't trust you guys, but because I don't trust you guys. No, honestly, it's just more I'd rather distance, you know, myself from, like, that. So, you know, it's fun like that. So let's see. So, okay, so we got it. Awesome. Can I real quickly just do this? Yeah, so here's this. So then if I go like this, there we are. So, awesome, yay. So this photo will look awkward because my iPhone decided to try to do some stuff. But long story short is if I go like this with the pencil. So, there's that, and then go for, like, no, not that, please. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to, I know it's very exciting to hear me do, like, confidential work stuff. It is very thrilling, I know. There we are. So now we go like this, and we go like that, and you just need to be a bit more yellowish. Actually, I could just do this. Kapow. Awesome. All right, there we are. So, oh yeah, this should be distance enough. So, here's what I was trying to tease there for a second. So I am currently actually a designer / manufacturer of t-shirts, as well as my day job, as well as the streaming, and as well as my schooling. So I got a lot of stuff going on. And if you're wondering why this and this looks awkward, TLDR is because this and this are the, like, name of the company, so I'm just blurring those out. That's why they took a second. But yeah, that's the whole thing I got going on. So that's very fun. So, you know, just lots of fun things to stress out about. Okay, I think I see the issue because there's a backslash right here. Ooh, I think I see the issue. So, let's go down here. So, where's the math.random? Let's see, random. Okay. Pop-up underscore this. Okay. So, there's only one instance of random in this entire thing. So, if that's the case, what I want to do is I want to trim this, right? So, let's just force it to be a string type, just to make sure it's, you know, it's adhering to a type. After I force it to adhere to a type, I then want to do string of that. Yeah. Dot, no, actually, no, I don't want to do that. What I want to do is also, this is a name first. Hey, Moonlight, how's it going? How are things going with you? Are things going well? Are things going swell? Are things going groovy? Let's see. Let's just name this, let, pop-up underscore, ID is equal to that. Force Moonlight to join the stream. Heck yeah. That's right. If anybody doesn't watch, we beat them into submission, into watching. Absolutely get that grind going. I mean, hey, I'm pretty sure, like, I don't know your ages, but, like, you know, I would imagine that you know, like, let's just say you're, like, in your teens, right? Like, I'm pretty sure anybody showing their parents, oh yeah, I'm watching, like, a rambunctious idiot code, I don't think there's many parents who would be like, oh, that's a bad thing. I think compared to the amount of like to use the word that has a lot of issues, slop like content, right? You know, I don't think any parent would be that upset, you know? All right, let's see. Let's do let RNG underscore num is going to be equal to math dot random, just because it makes my life easier. All right, so with the math dot random, after we do the math dot random, I just want to force this to be a string, so I'm not being silly about it. There we are. And then the first two numbers will effectively always be, what do you call it with this? The first two numbers will always be deleted. So I just want to do slice RNG underscore num dot size, I think. No, it's length, isn't it? Yeah, it's length. So I want to do an offset of, I believe, 2, I think is what I want. I could be wrong about that, but I think that's what I'm thinking of. Oh, no, syntax error. Unexpected blue. Let's see. Pop up underscore AD. There we are. Let's see. Moonlight your shadow milk cookie. PFP is perfection. Heck yeah. Slice. What is it? Isn't it slice? Oh no, it's RNG underscore num dot slice, because it's a dot operator on like the whole thing. Yeah, there we are. Got it. So now, what is our pop-up ID? Okay, so I got rid of the 0, so I don't want it to be a length of 1. I want it to be a length of 2. Whoops. Let's do 2. There we are. And now that should fix the pop-up ID issue. Yes, because now we have just a randomly generated number. That should be that should be good enough that we don't encounter any weird like corrections for the slashing, right? So, okay, these aren't closing now still, but that's okay. That's okay. So we'll just need to do, we basically just need to now go to where the pop-up button is, like the closing for it is defined. So, oh yes, I forgot this is a fucking tree of shit. Let's see. So I'm gonna go over here, and then I'm gonna go up to here. I'm gonna go into here. I'm gonna do, oh, no, that's create element. What I want to do is I want to do the various if statements where I'll go here. I'll do console.log. Let's see. Creating confirm dash deny for pop-up. There we are. You can get rid of that. I guess I'll leave it. A frickin' shadow of the ashes or whatever. Okay. Then we're gonna go here. Then we're gonna do a confirm. No deny for pop-up. I'm gonna do this in capitals actually. No deny. And then I'm gonna do confirm dash deny. And then down here I'm gonna do close. Creating a close for pop-up. Sapphire got me addicted to oop. Heck yeah. So which one are we creating? Creating confirm dash deny for pop-up. Okay, so it's an issue with confirm dash deny. So is on click being bound? Is this a I Remember remix? Oh, it is. Not what I was expecting. Okay, well, noted. Okay, so we got this. We want the close pop-up. Okay, so none of these are having events bound to them, which is the issue. So now that being said, so type of arguments that on confirm equals function. I want to do this. I want to add an else here, and then the else I want to be a let's see. I want to say console.log, and then I want to do in quotes on click is not a function, cannot bind. That should actually be a warn. So let's go back to here. We'll rename this to a warn. There we are. We'll refresh it. OnClick is not a function, cannot bind. Okay. So, what do I do about that? I actually have no idea what to do about this. Yeah, if that, then I want to do that, right? So this is where I'm kind of tripping over myself, because I want to get the frickin'... I want to make sure that the function is like the type of this is going to be a function, right? And then if not, then I want to move on. So then why is this erroring so heavily? What did I just get a reminder for on my phone? What? Why are people sending me things? I'm a recluse. I should not be somebody who's getting things sent to me. Oop, they sent me a Family Guy meme. Is it a funny? Is it a funny? Is it a funny? Oh, my stream is also playing on my phone, so if you heard double audio, I apologize. Okay, I'm just gonna say lol, yeah, pretty much, and not actually watch the video. There we are. Oh, Moonlight left. Oh, Moonlight's leaving. Oh, sorry, I apologize. I did not read chat there for a second. Hey, see ya, Sapphire, or Moonlight. Have a good one. Oh my gosh, the turtle, the icon has changed. The turtle is no longer a turtle, it's a sunrise. The day Family Guy funnies becomes unfunny is the day society has failed. Yeah, I mean, so like, how do I comment on that without like being like too like spicy? It's like, so like when it comes to like Family Guy funnies, like to be very clear, I'm not saying they're like unfunny, right? It's a plane. Is it? It's hard to read. I'm seeing just like for context. Like, what I'm trying to see on my end is, like, the size of my pupil on stream. So it's very hard to read an icon that size. But now, what I was gonna say is, like, yeah, like the Family Guy funnies thing is, like, it's not bad. It's just, like, you know, like, Family Guy obviously has, like, a few popular moments. And then it's just, like, all you ever see is those. And, like... You have like if you're interested in like seeing those, you have to dig so fucking far to see like the actual new stuff that hasn't like been shown like 10,000 times. It's like, oh my god, you know what I'm saying? Does that make sense? Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so then now the issue is that this is being called from 44-57. So I don't think that's correct. 44, that's like just right here, yeah. And then what about 57? Alright, 57 does make more sense. Okay. So, class is pop-up container, type is div, ID is equal to that. Okay. Do I like Gmod? Honestly, I haven't had much experience with it. Just content farm slop type thing. Yeah, exactly. Like, so, how do I put this? Like, my content is not peak by any fucking means, right? But, like, one thing I try to do, which some of you may have noticed, is that I try not to ever, like, repeat stuff, right? So, like, I guess this is me kind of, like, spilling the beans a little bit, but so, like, my video sections are where I try to either do something unique, funny, silly, whatever, right? So, like, as an example, like, you know, like, hey, here's a Vim tutorial if you're interested in getting into, like, basic Vim motions, right? Here's like me talking about doing Duolingo for 300 days, which I actually did do, right? And so on and so forth. This is me responding to Turtle first because they asked first, then I'll jump back to you, Frieza. I apologize. My shorts are just where I post random garbage content that happens to be throughout my day, right? The live section is where, you know, I try to stream stuff. And one thing that I'll say is unless it's like a project or I'm working on something, you'll notice that nothing's ever a duplicate, right? Like, I'll reuse assets because, like, holy shit, I have so much stuff going on, right? But, like, the 2 repo streams here, these were supposed to be one stream. It's just that this had an error here, and this entire thing was a clusterfuck. And then that just leads into this, right? This was, like, me reacting like a single video, which I don't do very often. This was me playing an entire video game in one sitting, right? While doing... like what most people would consider 100%. It's not 100% technically, but it's a very thorough playthrough. And like, you know, the only reason why I've done something like Ultra Kill twice is because like I couldn't beat it all in one sitting, right? So like that's what the intent with that was. And like, I'm actually curious what the like count of this is like. Have we hit 15 likes yet? Oh, we're only at 10 still. Haha, I don't have to do the P levels yet. Let's go. But yeah, so there's stuff like that. Like, so it's one of those things where it's like, you know, it's I try to aggressively navigate away from like anything that I could see as slop, because like I don't want to be somebody who effectively fucking mummifies themselves into fucking content slop. Let's go. Ape Escape stream went hard. I agree largely, and I plan to do the second at some point as well, because guess what? Ape Escape is a cool series, and I want to do 1, 2, and 3 all together, and then I also would like to do Ape Escape Academy at some point and see if I can beat that game, because I've never beaten that game, and I remember having it for the PSP. There's so many games I want to play, honestly, but it's like it's just such like a like huge stack of things to get through, you know. So it's like, oh my god, that's just the whole thing, right? So now I'm getting the error from here, which is the container, but it wouldn't be the container. Why is... Okay, never mind. That's something else that the frickin' thing did. So now where is the... Okay, yeah, no, the closed buttons are being called over here, which is where I'm at. So this would be around 104. So are these being called at different points? On click is not a function, cannot bind. Okay. So... Okay, so that thing is absolutely just panicking because it's just unhappy. So we just gotta find like the function of CE, right? So, because what it's doing right now is it's just absolutely like panicking right now, right? So it's like I'll make the first nested function here because it makes sense. So we'll do if args.on click is not equal to, because I want to ignore all the bad errors, right? And then to jump to your thing, Freezik, about Gmod is I've honestly never been too into Gmod. There's been a lot of content that I've watched that has been around Gmod. I've actually never been that into Gmod, actually, now that I think about it. The main thing I remember watching a lot of that was Gmod related was specifically Markiplier's Gmod series, or not Gmod series, but his videos on like Trouble in Terrorist Town, Prop Hunt, especially Prop Hunt. I have watched all of the Prop Hunt videos. Because if I'm correct, this is me outing myself as a Markiplier fan. But if we go to like let's just open this in a new tab because that'd be easier. If we go to here and we look up Markiplier Prop Hunt, if I am correct, the last Prop Hunt video that Markiplier uploaded was the fish cone episode. Like it's a fish cone thing, and it's like it ends with a fish cone is what I should say. Because yeah, where's the fish cone? Where's the fish cone? Okay, it might not be this episode, but there's definitely a playlist, right? So Markiplier Prop Hunt playlist. Oh, it's right there. I'm blind. Hahaha. Yeah, I remember watching him back in those days. But what I was going to say is, if we jump down, I believe the last one was the fish cone. Am I thinking of Jacksepticeye? It might be Jacksepticeye that I'm thinking of. Let's see. JSE Prop Hunt. I actually have no idea. They might have done more. I remember the fish cone. What? Did they change the thumbnail on it? I could have sworn that there was a fish cone episode. I could have sworn there was a fish cone episode. I feel like I'm insane now. Markiplier fish cone. I remember... Yeah, this was the thumbnail. Okay, so this was the last one that I remember watching. Oh, no, this was the last of their main videos, and then what ended up happening was that they took, like, a break, and then they uploaded a couple more. That's what happened. But yeah, those were the videos I watched as a youngins. we enjoy the prop hunt. I wouldn't be opposed to doing prop hunt at some point, honestly, or like a prop hunt type thing. But like my main issue is that like, it's like, God, where do I even start? You know. All right, where am I going? So I want to go down to here. So I've added the if statement. Now let's see if this works. Cannot bind. Okay, so this seems to be a lot better. So we're saying on line 124. So on line 124. Okay, so 124 is like here. So onClick is not a function. Cannot bind. Okay, so what's the issue with this then? I don't know what the hell the issue was here. Yeah, what was the issue here? I'm gonna throw this out like an LLM because this is an area that I have like actually no idea what I'm doing with. So I just want to see. What is? Sorry. I need to pass this function this function function to bind to an HTML element. Why is this one not working? Question mark. Boink. Oh yeah, it's giving me two answers to give it feedback. That's awesome. That's what I wanted. Oh, it doesn't like how it's in brackets. Let's try that. Because that might be it. I actually have just no idea what I'm doing here. So that did not work. So that one there didn't work. Separating it out. Let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna give it CE. So let's see. Function CE. Okay, let's see. So we'll do this. Whoops. We'll go here. I'm just passing this to the LLM because I have no fucking idea. Like I don't want to slam my head against this. I've already done it. Let's see. You're with the function. This. Do that. What? It's saying it's erroring here, I think. Incorrect assignment check. Wait, what? Your issue is with this part of the function, args.type. It's saying here's the error, which it definitely is not. No, that's not actually correct at all, LLM. Why are you like that? Oh, wait, no, I did make a small mistake here, which is fine. Because there's one error there with a typo, undefined D variable. I don't... No, D's definitely the thing, but I'll do it anyways, because whatever. Makes it more expendable. Alright, okay, it's still erroring for me. It's saying the onClick. Okay, what does it say is different with the onClick? Because I just don't know what I'm doing here. If onClick equals undefined, if args onClick equals function, they had a triple, but whatever. I don't mind a soft check. lm args.on. Oh no, sorry. It's just so that does a thing. Then it's basically saying the exact thing I'm saying, which is lm.add event listener, and then I'm saying onClick. args.onClick. Okay, so this is correct. It's telling me quite literally that this is correct. Oh, what the issue is it's not... Oh, wait, no, because that would cause an error, because it'd be like an early return or whatever. Okay, so it's saying it can't bind. So it's just not identifying as a function, which is the issue. So what would happen if I just said, you know, hey, what if I just take, you know, what if I just take this, break this out onto a new line, go like this, hey, let's pretend none of this ever happened. Why didn't that work? Excuse you? Okay, that's cool. Let's delete like 5 of those. Let's go to the beginning. Whoa, okay, I don't know where I'm at now. Fucking... That happens to me once in a while. I don't know what's happening there. Let's just go frickin' function CE again. We're right here. There we are. There we are. Fixed it. Let's see. You don't understand a single word I'm saying in regards to like the programming stuff, or in regards to the like what I was saying about the whole Gmod stuff, or just in general. Am I just that rambly of a mother trucker? Anyways, you think I might go to sleep since it's 1:10 a.m. for you right now? So see you next stream. Hey, yeah, catch you around. And if you don't, then hey, I mean, hey, hopefully see you in the future, cause you know you always a heckin' vibe. So yeah, have a good sleep. Hopefully your day is good tomorrow. And yeah, have a good one. I am a fish. Yeah, just have fun. Have a good one. Hope you enjoyed what you could attend for. That's the long and the short of it. And yeah, if any of you are like genuinely having questions, like feel free to like ask, because like I don't mind at all. This is mostly just a vibe thing, right? So we'll see. Okay, so just it was an error specifically with this. So what if we undo that? Oh wait. So the only thing I didn't do was a strict check, but that shouldn't do anything. Oh, 42. Yeah, you're missing the semi or the comma, whatever. Yeah, now you're saying can't append because you're not a function, which is completely wrong. Like, you're just objectively wrong. Like, I'm sorry, but you're just objectively wrong. Why is that? What is happening here? What is going on? Excuse you? Excuse you? Let's see, JavaScript, check if function. Check if variables type function. Type of v is equal to function. I didn't seem to misspell it. Okay, so then how do I define v? Oh, maybe it wants a formal function declaration instead of like a shorthand? That, I swear, if that's what the issue is, I am going to laugh cry. Laugh cry is definitely a word for it. Let's see, so I'm gonna go, oh my god, fuck off. So I'm gonna go here, then here I wanna go, oh no, I wanna go to the confirm deny section. So I wanna go here, I wanna go here, I wanna go frickin' function, then I want to see that. Will that work? No. Creating confirm / deny for pop-up. Okay, yeah, so we're in this section, and it's saying cannot bind due to it not identifying as a function. What the actual hell? Okay, I guess we're just gonna fucking raw dog these functions and then just hope for the best. Because clearly there's an issue with the frickin' binding thing, which is awesome. And if there's an issue with the binding, then that's something I don't want to suffer with. Because, yeah, that's a whole pain in the ass. Okay, so now this works. Close the pop-up. There we are. Reload it. Cancel the pop-up. Oh, look at that. How wonderful it works. Man, I love trying to do things the way that you see online, and then when you try to do it the way that you see online, you got your fucking toes shanked. I like getting my toes shanked. It makes me hurt so good. Let me close a couple things real quickly. There we are. Okay. Huzzah. Okay, awesome. Awesome. Okay, here we are. So, now that we're here... So this whole pop-up function is working. I don't like the ergonomics here of this function. Isn't it control U and control B or something that goes up and down? No. What was down again? I forget what the function for down was. Oh, it's just U and D for up and down. Got it. Okay, so where are we at? So this is a lot of code, by the way, if you couldn't tell. This is just for the pop-up, 177 lines of code. You know, I'm curious how to get the line counts of a code base. Get a line count within directory. Okay, so I do wc-l command. That's apparently what it'll do. So let's just take a small peek, shall we? So I want to go wc-l. Let's see. How big are we? How big are we at? Oh, I just realized it's going to include the node folder. Damn it. Well, never mind. I can't do that because it won't freaking matter. So let's just ignore that and just go back to npm start. I wanted to ADHD it there for a second, but I'm like, wait a minute, that is not going to count. Okay. So there's that. Here's this. So, alright. So after I call the first pop-up, and I forget where this is at. I think this is called in the index. I want to call this one, then I want to call another one, then another one. So what I want to do is I want to search for the frickin' cat face. There's nothing to worry about. Yeah. This is a test pop-up, for confirm-deny. Okay, so there's this. Yes, I wish to overwrite that. Get Shrek'd on nerd. Okay. So then after I do this, yeah. Okay, so after I do that, then what I want to do is I then want to create a another pop-up, which would be CE. So yeah, so instead of close pop-up, I want to do now let's try the. My keyboard is like laggy right now. Why is my keyboard laggy right now? This should be laggy. Whatever. Okay, so we're gonna do no, we're not call that. We're gonna call pop-up. Oh my gosh, just having weird laggy typing is just so strange to me. It's so bothersome. Okay, let's see. So now, after this, what I want to do is I want to do. I'm just trying to think of how to put this. So this will be one where I'm going to do something very similar. Where I'm going to paste all this into here. Like this. Yeah, something like that. And then after that, then what I'm going to say is I'm going to say this is a test pop-up for confirm only, which is going to be all this. And then what's the state that triggers a confirm only? Confirm. So what's the state for confirm only? Confirm no deny is just. So there's a prompt that's not undefined. No, wait. If there's a prompt function that's not undefined, so if prompt function is undefined, then it's confirm only. And then close no function is... What triggers that, though? Is prompt is undefined. Okay, I see. So then so that would be the button text, basically. So this would be a test for a confirm only, which would be all this. I don't like that. That doesn't feel very clear to me. That doesn't feel like the best thing. Oh no, I remember my logic now. So it's like there is nothing to worry about once this pop up closes. You should see another. Okay, there we are. So then there's that. And then the pop-up function is going to be very creatively the exact same thing one more time. But now we're just going to offer no prompt, no function. Because this one doesn't need a prompt. Like that, yeah. Wait, hold on. Hold on, why does it feel like I'm messing up here? Because this one needs to be a prompt function. Prompt underscore function is going to be equal to an arrow function that calls this. Yeah, that makes sense. This is probably going to error all out the ass. Oh, you're going to wander off, Frieza? Fair enough. Hope you have a good night. Have a fun time. And, yeah, have a good vibe with whatever you got going on. Thanks for swinging by. Oh, I see, because I made a mistake here. That's what this was supposed to be. I think y'all work out now? Let's see, so then this is gonna be that, yeah. For me, it's day. That is very fair. Then please, yes, have a good night. Yeah, please do. Please have a good night. Okay, so the confirmed deny isn't calling the function, which is bothersome. Why is that, though? So, I'm trying to think of how I would do this. So this would be... I think I just have to wrap this, maybe? I think I have to wrap this? I don't actually know. I actually have no idea. Will this one work now? I actually have no idea. Unexpected curly bracket. I see. So... Okay, so... unexpected curly bracket at that. I think that was supposed to be one of those brackets. Oh, wait. Hold on. Let's get rid of you. Do you run? Do you load? No. So this is here. There's an unexpected curly bracket, which is not... No, that's definitely supposed to be there. So that's supposed to need to curly now. There we are. Okay, so still closing, which is the issue. So what if I go to the pop-up? What happens? How does the function run? Oh, hold on. I think it's just not doing anything. So let's do that, I think. I think that subtle issue is what was causing it. Nope, okay. Then you tell me. That's so strange. That's so strange. Why is that so strange? Why is that so strange? That's a strange one, I'll tell you what. Okay, so... This is an absolute mess, but that's kind of by design. So let's just do something like that, just to help with the formatting, so I can, like, wrap my brain around it. Also, why is this laggy? Why is this laggy? Why is this being laggy? It's being weird. Man, a lot of music that I'm getting suggested to me is very repetitive and annoying. As I also listen to, like, fucking mid-tempo and shit, like, regularly. You know, me, the unique one. Okay, I don't think this, right here is frickin' working for me, so... let's try get rid of that real quickly. We still need one of you. There we are. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it's not running properly, which is the issue. So then, what happens if I try console log it? Console.log, let's see, loading, next, function. Let's try this. So, do we see loading next function happen? No, I don't see the loading next function on click. Okay, so that's an issue. Because that tells me that it isn't actually being bound. So, why is that not being bound? So we're doing the confirm deny. So, I feel like this should be able to run after, but I don't also see why that would be an issue. Try the function E thing. Maybe that's the issue. It just doesn't like the arrow function. Like it has to be the other function. Nope. Okay. Let's try this. Because I actually have no idea what's happening here. This is very strange to me. Let's see. Function on. Why is not running the function on click? Please tell me. Any call with a squirrely bracket? Excuse you. I don't believe I had to do that. Let's see, what was it? It was prompt underscore function, I think is what it was. Let's try this one, I guess. Oh, that's so strange to me. That's so strange to me. But okay, at least we got it working. Okay. It's working finally. Holy shit, that was so weird to me. Okay, I'll take it though. So if there's no message, then what I want to do is I just want to do close. Let's just do this, yeah. So we're going to do that. We're going to do right here, we're going to do an inner text because, yeah, inner text is going to be equal to close. There we are. Okay, let's try that one. And let's try that one. That's not working. Okay, I see. So then, wait, no, that shouldn't have to do that. So this would be, let's see, I'm just gonna say, fake error 1, fake error 1. And then here we're gonna do a fake error 2. Whoops. And then this here will be fake error 3. Fake error 3. Fake error 1, fake error 2, fake error 3, and then error 3 is not running the thing. Because fake error 3 is going to say, let's see, so we're going to do, I'm going to get rid of this. Because that's cool. And then so in here, this is where the issue's lying right now. So the issue right here, the issue is kicking around the area of, so we got class, inner text, type, inner text, on click, yeah. So, let's see, creating close for pop-up. Which is right here. So then we're doing this. So then the close is going to be that. Yeah. So we're just saying that inner text close. It's inner text, isn't it? Whoa. No, that's going to be a GD, please. Yeah, it's inner text. Okay. So, what would inner text be? Or not inner text be, but you know what I'm trying to say. Like, the inner HTML, maybe? Is that what it wants? HTML? 1, 2... Alright, inner HTML works. That works. Sure, I'm cool with it. I'll take it. I'll accept it. So, we got a good state tree now actually running with this. So now pop-ups should be able to run anytime. And the entire reason why I wanted to do all this is because that way I can have like a good state tree, right? So I can do qget -m Pop-ups are now stable. Knock on wood. Yep. Run them. There we are. Let's run that npm start again. Okay. I will be right back now. Because what I want to do now is I want to go grab a quick thing of water. And then I'll be right back after I do that water. Because I am a thirsty little stupid bitch. So yes, I will return soon. Soon. And it's just, you know, big Netflix letters. Oh my gosh, I need to get my shoes on. Because I actually have to go put my shoes on to go get water. Because that's the life that I live. Huzzah. Okay, off I go. I have returned. I have returned some more. I wish to return some more because when I return, that is so fun. You know, I'm gonna share a little side thing, which is that, like, man, so much music has just become so, like, repetitized, I guess. I don't know. It's like, you know, like, obviously I have, like, my clear biases towards my genres that I prefer, but, like, even the genres that I prefer, it feels like I have to go through, like, 200 plus songs to find one that I like. And, like, I'm well aware that, like, you know, a lot of things on, like, you know, Spotify, an example, or AI, but, like, I make very sure to curate my own playlist instead of just, like, yeah, I'll just trust whatever playlist is out there, because I know Spotify is a big old piece of dung when it comes to that. And that's very fun to deal with. Isn't it cool how we live in a day and age where, like, you know, you have to, like, be careful not to use the right playlist because you might just be fed slop? Isn't that cool? Man, I cannot get into that song. Oh, a new Medusa song. That's surprising. You know, New Mana actually, or sorry, not New Mana, No Mana has actually released a song called like, Losing Focus, which is a pretty fucking bopper. Come on, let me click you. There we go. Yeah, Losing Focus is a good one. I have a song that I've been sitting on that I've been meaning to publish for a while that I've been wanting to like pop out, but like, man, it is just like going to be so much work because I want to make a music video for it, and you know, music videos aren't light work, even like the shitty ones. Okay. So the pop-up has been extracted in a good way that I can be happy to like rip it out and slam it into another project. Okay. So now we can get rid of this heckin' heap of whatever the heck it is. Whoops. Alright. So now we got the confirm deny done. Boink, boink, boink. Cool. We can successfully pass, like, functions. Oh my god, you're still laggy. No, you're just a script. So that's gonna be here, yeah, which will be like this. And then I want to go to the opposite end of that. I'm just gonna go like this. Something like this. There we are. There we go. Awesome, sauceum, groovum, schmoovum, epicness in the frickin' gepicness. I think that works. Okay, cool. Awesome. Okay, so here we are. So now that we are at the frickin' thing, I don't think there's anything else that I want to do from here. I don't think so. Okay, so the test pop-up works, which is good. Yeah, so this is basically no op code now, but I'm okay with that. I don't need this code to do anything. Okay, so let's just save you and close you now. Yes. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to properly abstract the YouTube stuff into a class. Because from my experience, what classes are... So classes are good and bad at stuff, right? What I find classes are good at is once you find a pattern that, like, you somewhat like and you want to, like, squat on, you can basically, like, cement it, right? Where I find, like, function-based programming is a lot more amorphic, right? So, like, classes basically, like, enforce, like, a certain type of, like, working with the code, right? So, like, I know a lot of people hate that, and I can understand why. But, you know, you get the idea. So, let's see. Get... oh, wait, no. So, we got this. We got the API key. We got the channel name. Okay, yeah. So, all this is going to be a freaking pain and a half to work through. Yep, that's a lot of code. That's a lot of code I get to deal with. Man, I am very thrilled about this. Okay, let's see. Okay, so what are we doing here? So we got YouTube stuff, we got the API key, we got the get channel ID, which is all of this. Yep, that's all that. That's just for the channel ID? Yep, cool. I'm gonna go like this, and I'm gonna go frickin' create one of these, because that's gonna be a whole ass thing. So we're at 2 here, which actually makes sense. 2. Get channel ID. Yeah, I think that adds up. Oh no, I want to go ZM, I think, yeah. Don't know why that was consumed, but sure. Okay, so we got the get channel ID. What other functions do we have again? So we got get channel ID. We got... I'm gonna create a few of these because I just want to not have to, like, copy paste like 1,000 times, right? So let's do like this. We'll go like function name and then thing. Then we'll go yank and then we'll go paste. Sure. Oh yeah, we can't name a function for whatever reason because yeah. Just delete the word. There we are. So now that we have names, so we're gonna do the next one is select a currently live YouTube stream. Select a currently live stream. Did I say broadcast? No, I did. Whatever. We'll do this. I want to rename this to an S. And then the other one is select a scheduled. I don't know, I'm just gonna say select currently live stream, and then I want to do select scheduled live stream, like that. Yep. And then we got YouTube chat ID. Get YouTube chat ID. There we are. So the YouTube chat ID now. Cool. Alright, those are all TTS settings, so that doesn't matter. Okay. There we are. So these two are actually something that I can ignore. So I'm just gonna yank this. Just go here. Paste you. Go here. And then yank it. paste it. There we are. Yank it, and then we just gotta go like that, and then, yep. So now this will make these functions a lot more collapsible. Let's actually... Do I want to split this? Nah, I don't really think I want to split this. Let's see. So I want to do get streams from channel, which is here. Let's go get that. So get YouTube live streams from channel. Okay, so let's just do this. I'm being silly. So let's just go here. Oh yeah, I thought that was everything, but I was so worried it wasn't. So get YouTube live streams from channel. Why do I feel like this is wrong? This is egging at me that I'm going wrong. Alright, so this would be the live streams though. Like this. That is very wrong, but sure. Why is this so... Okay, you know what, sure, let's just go with this, I guess. That's all indented, so that makes sense. Yeah, that's okay, that's okay. I don't know why that feels like it pasted so, like, weird. Oh, no, because it's still indented once, isn't it? No, okay. Never mind, we're good. Okay, so we got that. So this is going to be, move to, YouTube underscore stuff.mjs. Because the MJS module, whatever. And then what is it? Get upcoming. Yeah, so this would be this section, which would be the scheduled ones. Move to YouTube underscore stuff.mjs. So in this one here is going to be get a scheduled stream, like that. Those all need to come in like at least a little bit, like that, yeah. And then you need to go in like 2 maybe? I guess 2, yeah. Sure. Yep, there's all you. That works at least, so I know that works. So then now we also got to do the get chat ID. Yeah, so let's see, let's do get YouTube chat. What is it called again on the freaking font thing? Get YouTube live stream chat ID. Get YouTube live stream chat ID, which is basically all of this. Yeah, so this would be all this. Whoops. No, I want to go like this. U5. Yep, yank it. And then let's see. Move to YouTube. YouTube underscore stuff. .mjs. There we are. And then let's move you down. Get YouTube chat ID from. What was this again? Video ID? From video ID. From video ID. Yep. Yes, this may be surprising, but I did actually mean to spell it that way. And then this one is get select scheduled live stream. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay. I think this is doing okay. ZR. Yeah, okay. Dang, you can see which ones really mean a lot. Let's see, surrender like that. I just want to compact all these, you know. Let's see, set up. Okay, so the setup is going to be very extensive soon. I don't know why I did that like that. That's just not how that goes. Okay, there. You are gonna be set up. Oh, there. Because what I'm doing right now, effectively, is I'm making the code a little bit more, like, rigid, but also making it a lot neater to sort through, right? So that should hopefully fix things a lot, you know? Channel name goes here. And then here is going to be frickin', I should just do get API key instead. Get API key. 1, 2, 3. This is going to be 2. This is going to be 2. This is going to be get channel name. Get channel name. Like that a lot more. Yeah, per the state being stored in the UI personally, because in that way it's reflective of like what's happening in comparison to like hiding things like away, you know? I'm not really digging these songs right now. They're all kind of just... Ooh.
Is that baby no money?
I got money, cabbage, I'm an addict. Spell it out like Rita Rabbit. Clapping cheekies in the hammock. Got no rubber on, save the planet. Okay, anyways.
I didn't do that, you did that. Shut up, you crazy.
Put off my list, got my money and my bitch. That's a check, 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 check. I mean, I didn't do that. What are you talking about? I didn't do anything. You're crazy. That's you're nuts, man. That wasn't me. You silly. You going crazy. Why you going crazy, huh? Why you going crazy? What you think of? Let me respond to one small little thing quickly, and then we can roll on some more. Let's see. Too much you. With my list, got my money and my bitch. That's a check, 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 check. Money on this, off this wrist. That's a check, 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 check. La 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 la, la 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 la, la la. And we restart the song. I should do an animation sometime, actually. Honey Rabbit, I'm an addict. Spell it out like Rita Rabbit. I think there's an error here somewhere. Where's the error? Where's the error? Let's see, class, YouTube, stuff. Na 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 na. Well, I'm not getting any errors, so that's good at least. I mean, it'll probably fucking collapse once I try to use it, but this is a whole rewire thing, so that's cool. So what I want to do as well is, so up here in the head, I'm going to create a script, which is going to be, I basically want to call a frickin' like initialization for the YouTube class, right? So like, this would be like var, YT underscore stuff is equal to new YouTube stuff, I think. How do I create a new classes variable? I actually have no idea. JavaScript new class as variable. La la. Okay, so I gotta do. Let's see. We're gonna call it a new instance of the class, is what I should say. I understand, like, constructors. I just figured out how to fucking directly declare a class. Inheritance, wow, that's crazy. Examples. Yeah, so that would equal new YouTube stuff. But does it need a function call? It needs a function call. I see, it's a function call. So then I just gotta do import YouTube stuff from YouTube stuff. Whoop. Nope. YouTube stuff from tilde forward slash or like forward slash lib forward slash YouTube underscore stuff dot mjs. That's probably an error. Yep, one error. There it is. Okay. Script type equals a module. And now all my code has been forced to be a module. Let's see, let's just do export default. Oh, I spelled that wrong. Export default class YouTube stuff. Cool, there's all the errors gone. So, yeah, so now basically what I want to do is I basically want to just take each one of these buttons with YouTube stuff and then just create an alias where instead of it being like whatever that was, just do the actual thing, right? Because I think these buttons are dead right now, yeah? Yeah, got it. Well, then you'd also add some like better state management so it doesn't just fucking freak out. What? What is that? Sure. That's awesome. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's going on anymore, man. Okay, yeah. Okay, we're locked in. We're grooving. We're vibing. Okay. Hey, Nacho, how's it going? What's up with you? Things going well? Let's see. Let's see. So this is all this. Let's see. Nothing's going on right now. I mean, hey, fair enough. I mean, hey, I hope the stuff still treats you well anyways. Save dash load of values. Oh, there we go. Just playing Roblox? Hell yeah. Having some fun times with that, I hope. Currently, I'm just what I'm doing right now is do you remember the TTS thing that I'm working on? If not, no big deal. It's not really an overly huge thing. Just curious. There we are. Whoops. Excuse you. Where the fuck did I jump to? Whatever. Okay, so let's see. So, but anyways, yeah. So I'm just currently doing that. Where what I'm trying to do is just trying to, you know, I'm trying to basically like go through this, and like I'm basically making it more rigid, but I'm trying to also, you know, get like more get it more like, you know, structured, I suppose, right? Because, you know, fun times. Let's see. So I want to go like 1, 2, 3, and then I'm gonna do to save dash load. I already did that here, so I'm gonna remove these. Boink. No, I want to go boink. I want to go here, and we can move you down one. And we'll go in here, and we'll go like boink. Pound it in, slam it over. Da-da-da. There we are. Let's see. No, sadly, I was with a friend for the last 2 days. For the 2 days. I mean, yeah, this isn't really a new thing, actually. So, basically, I'll just share this with you. Is, because, hey, you might find it interesting. If not, then no biggie. Is so... obviously, you know, stream, you know, chat, you know, all that stuff. So I have multiple issues and multiple aspects of it. So what this is this an application I'm working on, which I'm calling Cockatiel. And so what the thing is basically you can plug in your information, so YouTube API key, channel name, channel ID, things like that, right? And then you can use this to monitor your chat. You see down here, there's a little thing which is like author, platform, date, message, play now, and queue, skip, delete. This is very like alpha UI, by the way, so like don't worry about like this being final. This is just something I threw together in like 20 seconds, right? But to carry on, so I have a couple goals with this. So as an example, you know in Discord how you can send like emotes using like the colon words and then colon again, right? So I want to actually add integration for that, where as an example with like chat, which you can see like above over here with your messages, you can see you can basically have like a custom chat which merges a bunch of chats. There's a couple other things too where it's like I want like archivalness for streams, so that way like if people delete messages, then like you still have an archive of the messages, right? For various moderation reasons, because that's been an issue that I've noticed immediately on YouTube. What else from there? I want to work on the TTS stuff so that the TTS stuff doesn't break at all. So the idea is that you can send TTS messages, right? And then you can kind of like my long-term goal is make it so that you can create a profile, right? So the idea is that you could do something like my goal would be do something like bang TTS double dash set dash v is equal to like 18 as an example, I guess, or 118, sure. So an example is with like that right there is so you could use that, and then you could use basically the set flag to say like, hey, my voice is going to be voice 118, right? So then any TTS messages you send will now be like that, and they automatically go through without you having to like manually type it out each time, right? Or like change it, or like other streams where it's like, you know, it's like you have to like force the stream to be like a certain thing or whatever. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? That make sense? Hopefully that makes sense. I don't think it's that bad. It's just also a bit of a blur and a pain, and you know, working to improve chat, because man, chat is, it's not that it sucks, it's just that it's like it has sore spots, right? So, you know, it's very thrilling. Yeah. Very, very fun. Very, very, very painful as well too, though, because I just get to sit here now, just absolutely just like slamming my head against issues, trying to iron out a few like rough spots, because that's cool, isn't it? Actually, I want to see something now too on YouTube. Let me go to my phone, YouTube on my phone. Let's see. If I go to YouTube, I just need to see real quick. I'm trying to like close my videos and shit and get to the stream. Okay, there we go. So if I go here, if I start typing, if I do something like this and I send, okay, so it doesn't automatically check itself on mobile. So for instance, if you do that in Discord, it'll change like the TM letters, like all fancy, like and whatever, right? So as an example, what if I go to the chat here? If I do bang TM, okay. What if we do bang and I do like vulb underscore thing? Okay, so as long as the emote doesn't exist, I can override the emote, basically. So it does autocorrect on desktop, but so what I'm thinking now, for context, I suppose, is I want to basically offer a thing where basically I can do help. I can set a link, and then that link would be like a thing where I can basically display all the emotes ahead of time. So people can basically learn the emotes and then, you know, do things like that. Because what I would like to be able to do is I want like the thing, the messages like in here, to be automatically replaced, and then, you know, go in and, you know, all work out all fun and nice, right? Yeah. Yeah. I was looking at my little face. I'm like, man, my face looks weird. My face looks funny. Why do I have a funny looking face? But yeah, bit of a rambly tangent. But yeah, I have goals for stream. We will unite the stream. Oh my god, this music is just wearing on me today. There are so many songs right now where I'm just like listening to them, like, the sandpaper. I don't know why it's so sandpapery. It really doesn't feel good. Maybe I'm just burnt out. Maybe that's the thing. Maybe I'm just tired. Maybe I should go to bed soon. Let's see. So, I want to try to plug these values in, though, and see if I can get this working first. And if I can get this working first, then that'd be fucking killer. So, let's see. So, button, get channel ID button. Oh, yeah. So then what I want to do here is... What do I want to do here? Because I'm thinking about this. There's multiple things I can do. What I could probably do is I could probably do something like on click is equal to... Whoops, not what I want to do. I could do something like this, where it's like on click is going to be a thing, and that thing I want to be, say, like... what would it be? It would be like YT underscore stuff dot get... I'm trying to think of what to get. I'm trying to get the channel ID. Channel ID. Get channel ID. Whoops. Get channel ID like that. That's what it is, right? Get channel ID, yeah. Because that should reference this up here. Get underscore channel ID. Yeah, YouTube underscore stuff. Oh, yeah, that should work out. Let's see. Get channel ID. YT stuff is not defined at that. Okay, awesome. Isn't it? It's YT underscore stuff, right? Yeah, YT underscore stuff, all lowercase. Okay, that's awesome, I guess. So how would I create global scripts like across multiple things, right? JS. How do I put this? I'm trying to think of how I would put this. JavaScript, what I would want to do is like global variable in global variable on page within script tag, I think is what I'm looking for. Yeah. So how would I do this? Some good script and tag above and define it there. Source is equal to that. You need to declare the variable before you include the helper. Okay, no, that doesn't make that doesn't seem like something I would need to do. So what else could I do here? So where was the on click that I just typed? So I want to do on click. Is going to be that. Would be channel ID. Get channel ID. Yeah. Get channel ID. Okay. So how would I do this? How would I do? How would one do? Because I'm trying to think of the way that I can streamline this without making this an absolute, like, clusterfuck. Because the issue is that if I dive right into this and I don't think this through very much, then I'm going to create an absolute, like, mess. My one issue is that I was really hoping that I could right here just toss the import. And then that would work. Import that. Import. I'm going to do this. I'm going to import all as YouTube stuff from YouTube stuff. Let's try that, maybe. YouTube stuff is not a constructor on line 13. Okay. But what if I do this? Oh, that's working. What if I try to click the button? Oh, YouTube stuff is not undefined again. Okay, so I really don't like this. I don't like the structure of this, right? Like, this is giving me bad smell vibes. And the bad smell isn't necessarily bad, but it's concerning because it's like, okay, like, what do I do about this? Let's see. I wanna throw this out at the AI shit because I wanna see if there's something that I can learn from this. How can I use this var within other script tags in my file? It is scoped to that module only, not a global scope. Attached to the window object. Okay. So what I want to do instead is I want to do frickin' window dot YouTube stuff. Okay. And then way down here, not way down here, but you know, like on click, I want to do window dot YouTube stuff. So that doesn't throw an error. That's cool. Okay, it's running. Oh, that's awesome then. Okay. So that makes my life so much easier. Okay. I didn't know you can just attach stuff to the window. That's actually neat. Neat as heck. So then now, if I look at this, yeah, because I like this a lot because it tells me specifically, like, okay, like the window is like the current window that's open, YouTube stuff is just, you know, the class name, and then I'm just calling a method within that class. So that makes this so much better than other crap that I would have to deal with. So we can get rid of that script tag that's empty. So then now, right here, I would just go on click is going to be equal to, and it's going to be window dot yt underscore stuff dot get what would this be? This would be get scheduled, or sorry, yeah, get oh, what would it be? It would be currently live, wouldn't it? Currently live. Select currently live stream. I see. Select currently live stream, like that. There we go. I see this wants to break, so let's fix that then. Let's do here. We'll go there. And then we'll go like this, and then we'll go like that, and then we'll go here. Heck yeah. That's not at all how I formatted that JavaScript or whatever the fuck you are. Whatever is causing that, I do not appreciate that. Okay, I guess I'll go fuck myself. Sure, that's cool. And then here will be basically the exact same thing as this, actually. So we'll just go like this. We'll go like that, and we'll just paste that in, and then bap it in. And then instead we want not a currently live stream, but a scheduled live stream. There we are. What are all these doing? So these are, I think all this is the same, isn't it? Yeah, that's just create element. So this is just define and create my element or whatever, right? So we don't need to define create element again. Okay. Because this is me really trying to cut the fat here, right? Like, I don't want to, like, not indulge isn't the word. I don't want to overextend the stream, right? Or not the stream, but you know what I'm trying to say. Like, I don't want to overextend, like, what I'm doing here. So, let's see. So, get element by ID, get return ID, select YouTube live stream button, add event listener, all of this. Okay, so these are errors, but these I can call a pop-up for, right? So that's okay. So we go over here, and then we go up here. I guess go like this. I can go like 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. We'll just go up to here. We'll just name this imports, and then here we'll just do like import pop-up. From pop-up, whatever the heck. Yep, that seems cool. Pop-up is declared, but the value is never read. That's fine. Okay. So let's see. So in YouTube stuff on 34-ish, there was an error earlier. Oh yeah, so that's a whole thing, which is going to be a whole thing, and that's the whole thing that I don't want to bother dealing with yet, because that's going to be a whole thing. Man, can you tell I'm very excited for that? Yeah, that seems cool. Okay, now define create element up here, so that should work. Okay, let's just see what get stream says. API key is not defined. Okay. So this is on line 67. So let's just jump to 67. Let's see. Let's do a pop-up that is going to include the thing of. Let's see. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna go say, hey, title is gonna be error getting. What's the one I pushed? Getting channel ID. Channel ID. And I want to do the error is going to be equal to error. And then I think that's it, honestly. Just send a pop-up, send it out. Get channel ID, reference error API key is not defined. Yep, that makes sense to me. Cool. That adds up. That's a good enough pop-up for me. Couldn't load response in time. Yep, that makes sense. Okay. So there's that. Okay, so we got the button, we got this big old script here. So, okay, so get YouTube live streams from channel. Okay, I'm gonna replace this with this, which is gonna be window dot yt underscore stuff dot get, or no, I want to do select currently live stream, and then I guess just return all that, because that's a bit of a mouthful, but yeah. I don't think I need to return that. I think I just need to do this, and if I'm doing this, then like I guess I might as well just delete everything. Because, like, yeah. Like, why wouldn't I, you know? You know what I mean? Hopefully I know what I mean. Okay, so then we got that. So then we got this. Select an upcoming YouTube live stream is going to be this. So then instead, we can do, say, this, which will be, this will be a window.select, scheduled live stream. Oh no, this will be YouTube stuff. Window dot yt underscore stuff dot that. There we are. So that's a pretty minimal script now. I don't see getting rid of much of this. Because this is like, okay, like get the element by ID, yeah. And then, no, these are adding event listeners, click. Ooh, do I want to do this? No, maybe, possibly, I don't know. No, I think it's okay. Let's see, so it's gonna be very rough, but I should be able to get the most of this scaffolding done right now. Okay, so then this one right here is gonna be get YouTube live stream chat ID. That'll be equivalent to the function of this. Yank. And then now here I want to do a frickin' on click. On click is going to be equal to this. That's not what I wanted, but okay. There we go. So it's going to be window dot yt underscore stuff dot that, and then I want to find the first space, get rid of it. There we are. Let's just correct you a little bit. Okay, and then now that we're here, so what's your script? Live stream chat ID, add event listener. Pretty much just did that. Yeah, okay, so we can get rid of you now. Because now this makes this read a lot more like HTML instead of having to like context shift a lot, which is very nice. Let's see, the start monitoring is going to be a whole thing that I have to like deal with. That's just going to be an absolute pain in the ass. So let's see. Okay, I think I did all the YouTube buttons though. Yeah, no, I did all the YouTube buttons, so this should work now. In abstract. I'm not going to run it now because there's going to be very much a lot of work that I need to do, but like, hey, here's to the start of it. Little golf clap. I have work tomorrow, and I am very tired after that like 9-hour stream. So I'm gonna say, hey, thanks everybody for tuning in. Thank you so much for being cool and hanging out, and being cool with me being late and all that. I know not everyone is here to hear it. I know not everybody appreciates it or thinks this is whatever thing, or I'm just saying it to be nice. But like, no, thank you. It does actually mean a lot to see people actually hanging out, kind of excited to hang out and chilling, whatever, and all that other fun stuff. But I mean, hey, yeah, I don't think I have anything else past that to say. So hey, thanks again for tuning in. Hopefully by next week, and Cocktail will be working. Yeah, have a great day, have a great night, have a great whatever it is for you, and catch you around.